So DCA are a virtual GP service, and ultimately we provide a 24-hour, 7-day-a-week, 365 service that enables patients to access virtual care and virtual clinicians via our app or via our web browser. And we're ultimately challenging the status quo of healthcare, primary healthcare, in that we're available wherever, whenever people and patients need us.
So Dr. Care Anywhere had come to us to say that they wanted us to be able to provision devices. They had a legacy partner in place that just wasn't quite fulfilling that criteria. It was more of a supply of laptops rather than provisioning them, so that a user who was working from home, in their case, this is a medical person who is trying to deliver appointments. It's really important to have a device that arrives on the user's desk that is ready to use.
We enable patients to access GPs if there's technical issues and they're causing failed appointments. Then that isn't what we set out to do, and that's not part of our overall business ethos.
The company that we used prior to that, there was always that kind of, I don't know, it could just kind of felt like there was a bit of a gap, a bit of a void. Whereas with Jungle IT, they very much do feel like, well, from my point of view, they feel like family because you can communicate with them.
So we proposed what is our Device Lifecycle service, because then it's a continued ownership by Jungle IT. We deliver the service fully in-house. We don't use any third parties apart from courier services. So it meant that we could really own that request from start to finish and make sure that it was fulfilled.
Understanding that trust between both parties and understanding the importance of making sure we get our equipment out and the impact it has on our business if our GPs aren't able to work, and the impact it has on our customer. Just making sure that they have that level of service at all points. That's what we're there for. We're there to help. And it's just making sure that Jungle understand that, which I feel that they do.
So we also have a monthly service review with Dr. Care Anywhere, and that's really to make sure that we're delivering on the service that we've promised on. We talk about the volumes, any problem tickets, how quickly resolved issues, our SLAs, and that's really important for them to make sure that we are delivering the service that we've promised on. And so far they've left us lots of good NPS. We have an NPS of over 90 at Jungle IT, which we're really incredibly proud of.
So we know exactly where we are every step of the way. That's a massive benefit for us, and it makes, not only does it make our job a lot easier, Dr. Care Anywhere be able to run effectively. So they are basically one of the cogs now within our machine.